In this tutorial, I'm going to share this cute panda nail art easy design. Let's begin! Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. Begin by applying your base coat of choice to all of your nails. And if you feel like you're kind of messy at times like me, feel free to apply latex around your cuticles for the next step. Now you're going to grab a light and a darker green nail polish and paint your nail light green. Then while the coat is still wet, grab your dark green with a small drop of polish at the end and streak it on through the wet polish to create a cool foresty habitat for your panda. Now go ahead and do this for all of your nails. But on your last two fingers, feel free to switch it up a little and paint your nail dark green as the base and streak on the light green. Both variations look great. Now when those have dried, grab your white polish, and yes, that bottle has some holographic sparklies to it, and use the brush to create a half circle right at the tip. It doesn't have to be perfect, and do this for all of your nails except the ring finger or whatever nail you'd like to use as the accent nail. Now apply latex to this nail, and for this one, pull out any stamping plates you might have that have leaves or ferns or flowers, whatever you want. This nail is just for you to have fun with, so go ahead and decorate that nail. I found that this white polish showed up well, so that's what I'm using here. Okay, I think I went a little bit crazy. Now it's time for some details. Using black paint or polish, whichever you prefer, pull out a large dotting tool, but I'm actually using the rounded end of an old paintbrush and it worked great. So as you can see, I'm placing two big dots at the tops of the white circles for the ears. Then below that, I'm placing two smaller dots for the eyes, and then finally a single smaller dot for the nose. I went ahead and finished up all mine, and then I'm using some white paint and a toothpick and putting some down the middle of the nose to add a little more detail. And I did this for all my pandas, and I don't know, if you look at it right, it kind of looks like they're smiling. Then go in with your favorite top coat and we're done! These are super cute and fun to do. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. And I have a question for you. Do you like doing cutesy nail art? I'd say that it's not my favorite kind, but share your opinion below. As always, the link for all my nail art tutorials are below in the description, as well as the link for my Instagram where I post all my nail art creations. And make sure to hit the notification bell because for a subscriber request, I'm going to try following a nail art tutorial only by the voiceover. I'm going to have someone else pick the video so I don't see the thumbnail. I think this will be a really fun challenge. I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Share this video with your friends. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.